This is the theme from Mahler Symphony No. 1, Movement 3, first violin part in the center section, starting at measure 40. 2, 3, 40. 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Cellos. And. One, two, three, four, one, up, bow, set. Four, one, C sharp, rest. Low four. Third position. One, two, three, four, two, two, three, four. Set up in third position, two, and. That's that section. Okay, a few things. If we look closely at measure 51 and 52, watch when you cross over 4, set up that high third finger. Okay, and then the next measures, low 1, low 4, 3, and then that slur up bow, D, A, flat. We're going to play the A flat with a high 2 and then slide it down to a low 2. So D, A flat, G. And then chromatic moves is G, F sharp, F natural, open E, 4, low 4, E flat, 4, D. Okay, so watch those chromatic moves. And then you have an E natural back to regular fourth finger in 57. And then a quick shift to third position in measure 59. So I do the pick up to 59, put some space. I can play the D, B pretty easily. So watch your string crossing in third position, and then you have 4, 4, 1, 2, 4. Shift down. So again, measure 59 with the pickup, 2, 3. Kind of fade away there. And at the end, the last 2 bars, starting in measure 67 to pick up to 68. Third position with a 2-3 pattern, and then the same thing with a little bit of slowdown. Hope that's helpful. There you go, first violin part for the theme from Symphony No. 1, Movement 3 by Gustav Mahler, arranged by Pfeil.
Thank you for tuning in. For resources and more information, visit orchestrateacher.net.